16 years ago, September 2009, was Typhoon Ondoy. And now, September 2025, here comes Typhoon Opong. Katatapos ng ulan, ang lakas ng hangin dito sa Molino Boulevard. So let's grab some booze. Pampainit. It's another Friday night, so thank God it's Friday. Friday SNR. Welcome back to my channel. Today is September 26, 2025. It's about like 10 minutes before 6 p.m. and just got here to SNR Molino Boulevard, just across Città Italia and Wilcon Depot. So may bagyo daw ngayon, si Typhoon pangalan. Katapos ng Typhoon Nando, so letter O na ngayon, which compares to Typhoon Onyok. A few years back, the same day, September 26, grabe yung Onyok tuloy, Onyok Velasco. Typhoon Ondoy. Medyo tapos ng ulan at it's a good sign na hindi na mauulit si Ondoy. Kasi wala nang ulan, malakas ang hangin, malamig, pero the clouds are getting darker. So tumawag sa akin yung presidente ng Castilla at natin kung punta tayo sa birthday niya. At the same time, merong tayong neighborhood na meron din siyang Friday night sessions, and let's see kung may maganda po tayong alak dito sa SNR. And kakakain ko lang, just had some pizza sa loob and sobrang heavy meal. So samahan niyo ako as I try to grab some booze. See you around. So katatapos lang ng bagyong si Nando, tinanong ko nga sa guard kung bakit ang bilis si Nando. Tinanong ko na rin kung merong first name yung Nando. At ang sabi ng guard, first name niya is Fer. Kaya pala ang complete name ng bagyo, Fernando Habe Owale. So what a coincidence, last September 2009, it's like 16 years ago when Typhoon Ondoy hit Manila, Philippines. Matindi yun. So after 16 years, September 2025, here comes Opong. So the only difference is that hindi na tumuloy yung ulan. Katapos na actually ng ulan at ang lakas ng hangin dito sa Molino Boulevard. And across SNR is mga seller ng parol. Kasi magpapasko na naman. And time flies. Naalala ko yung previous SNR ko was sa Alabang. Hindi nagbukas yung Paranaque, nagbukas yung Santa Rosa.